So you're being recorded for quality assurance?
Okay, I'm recording as well.
Yeah, I figured, but just in case, because, I don't know, watch a
fine.
lot of YouTube. You have two full cop cars because my music was loud. I'm cooking chorizo on the stove.
Okay.
To eat chorizo and rice.
Okay. Well, we're not here because you're cooking chorizo. We're here because you're booming.
Get that? Maybe it's a problem tonight. It's the first time in 3 years, and you have two cop cars in front of this house for music. Okay, can I go?
Not yet. Can I get your date of birth?
No.
No?
I'm gonna go to bed. I've turned off my music. I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay, well, I still have to do the paperwork.
Then do your paperwork.
Okay.
I don't want to do your paperwork.
Okay, hey, Kieran?
Yes.
This can go one.
What's up, everybody? It's Danny from the Constitution State here today. Today's video comes from Cairo. He does an awesome job of telling these guys to kick rocks. Go check his channel out. Go show him some love. And this involves the Corvallis Police Department from Oregon.
So you're being recorded for quality assurance?
Okay, I'm recording as well.
Yeah, I figured, but just in case, because, I don't know, watch a lot of YouTube videos.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, okay.
So like I said, you're just getting an SRN tonight. It's a written warning.
What's SRN stand for?
Special response notice.
So you have two full cop cars because my music was loud. I'm cooking chorizo on the stove.
Okay.
To eat chorizo and rice.
Okay. Well, we're not here because you're cooking chorizo. We're here because you're booming music.
Yes, because I'm booming music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very loud.
Yes, it is. And I've done it for 3 years without a single problem. So I get that maybe it's a problem tonight. It's the first time in 3 years, and you have two cop cars in front of this house for music.
I think we're good here.
Yeah.
But like I said, you're just going to receive a written warning tonight. Okay.
Can I go?
Not yet. Can I get your date of birth?
No.
No?
I'm gonna go to bed. I've turned off my music. I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay. Well, I still have to do the paperwork.
Then do your paperwork. I don't want to do your paperwork.
Okay. Hey, Kieran?
Yes.
This can go one of two ways. You can actually get charged with unlawfully amplified sound, which is a crime in Corvallis,
dude.
Or you can get a written warning. Okay, it's up to you.
For a first offense. Offense for loud music.
And that's why I'm doing a written warning. But you can choose if you want to.
No. See, right now you are exercising power to show me who's boss, but you're at my house. I have turned off my music.
I understand, but you were still in violation.
The violation has ended.
Hi.
You can write your warning.
Being recorded.
Okay, so are you going to cooperate with me or not?
No.
Okay. Look, man, this is a written warning. Okay, if you have no additional violations, like I explained to you, within 30 days, then this.
I don't want to write your warning. I don't want to help you with your paperwork. My music is off. It will never be on again.
Okay. All right, well, I'm still going to get this figured out, okay?
Made some chorizo and rice. I'm gonna heat it up in the microwave, maybe a little bit. Dude, that was funny. I don't think they're banging on my door. Jesus. These motherfuckers.
And this right here is the reason the cops show up. They said unlawful amplified sounds. Amplified sound, stereo instruments, megaphone, etc. must not be plainly audible from greater than 50 feet or within another residence. This whole thing seems like a money grab, these special response fees and notices, and this is why they say they're here. Special response fee notice. SRN is a written notice from a police response when a police officer determines that one or more persons are engaged in an activity of conduct which violates the Corvallis Municipal Code or the Criminal Code of Oregon. The notice is given to the tenant or occupant of the residence at the time of the incident and notifies involved parties that the activity or conduct must cease. This notice begins a 30-day window in which the occupants are not to engage in the behavior again. The first response notice may be given in conjunction with a verbal warning, citation, or physical custody. And notice how it says verbal warning. It doesn't say anything here about a written warning. I feel like if they cared about the people of Corvallis or anything like that, this 30-day window would start with a verbal warning. And then if there's more issues, then jump it up. Not the first one. Oh, it can be a warning and it can be a citation and it can be everything the very first time. They only put the 30-day window to benefit them. So if it happens again, they can slam you even harder. So second response within the 30-day window arises out of the activity or conduct will result in a citation, physical arrest, and or civil fines. The special response fee will be charged to each person deemed liable, and separate fees will be charged for each subsequent police response. The special response fee is defined as the total cost incurred by the city in connection with such response, including but not limited to police officers, equipment, dispatch, supervisor, and administrative time. After the 30-day window has passed from the first response, the window restarts with an additional response. And I saw this while I was going through to alarm permits. Now, if you want to have a alarm on your house or your business, you have to apply for a permit. You can't just get an alarm. What? What do you guys think of that? Who do you think was right? I mean, they showed up. They said the music was the problem, right? He shut the music off. He said the music will never be on again. He didn't know it was bothering anybody. We already know they can give a simple verbal warning, but that's not good enough. He wants his ID and he wants to give him a written warning. And even when he brings up, why is there 2 cop cars here sitting in front of his house for a music complaint? The other cop's like, I think we're done here. And this guy just, nope, I need his ID. I need to write this warning. The dude's not having it. Nope, I'm going inside. If they've never had that complaint before, they haven't been there repeatedly for that complaint, why wouldn't it just get a verbal warning? Why would it need to be anything more? I thought it was funny, though. You could tell this cop was butthurt. He wanted that ID, and this dude was not having it. He was going back to cook his chorizo and rice, and that was that. Thankfully, they must have realized how dumb this was and just went and actually fought real crime. But let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments. We'll talk about it.